Let me get a follow-up. Excuse me, ma'am. Can we get a... What are you feeling right now?
I hate you and everybody.
People hate me out here.
I just want to go lay down.
You want to go home?
Welcome to MTB, New Mexico. If you are watching this video, more than likely you found that doing things outdoor has incredible benefits. Whether you walk, run, jog, or ride, you are going to have a great time. Not only are you guaranteed a fun time enjoying nature, but there are physical, psychological, and emotional benefits to take advantage of. Is especially why sharing outdoor activities is one of my favorite things to do. I convinced some of my work colleagues and friends to come out and ride some easy desert trails. Some signed up right away, and some needed a little encouragement. But nevertheless, here is a video of some of our first riding adventures.
You got this. Just a little climb. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of yummy cheesecake. No more cheesecake in our lives. We are working out. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Get some momentum. Push. And you're out. Good job. Okay, bump coming up. You got it. You got it. Push. Very good. And here comes that big climb. You need momentum, so push through it. Oh, you got it. You kissed the dirt for the first time. It was just a matter of time, Holmes.
Didn't have enough momentum.
Nope. You got it. You got it. Let her roll. Let her do what she knows how to do. Whoa. Oh. We're not gonna stop. Here we go. You got this. You got this. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. You still have gears, okay? But don't stop. Don't stop. You got this. You got this. You got it. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost. Stay on the trail. Yo. Push through. Your bike knows what to do. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Woo. You got this?
Yeah, okay.
All right. You're good. So what do you do when you fall? You get back up. You do it again. Those rocks are just muffins. That's what they are. Just little donuts on the ground. Your bike is made to eat them. Whew. Close.
Why am I so scared?
Left. Right there, left, 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 yeah. Okay, go into the hole, ready? And get ready to pop out of it. There you go. Woo, woo. Good job, Holmes. Look at you. Mr. Juan, how are you, sir? You ready? Yo, what's up, Holmes? You ready?
Yeah.
Rock. What up, homie? You ready? All right, then. You got it. Okay, pedal. There's a cheeseburger up there, Micaiah. Bacon double. Happy place, happy place. Yeah, bro. This is cake, baby. It's cake.
I'm trying. Oh.
Let's go, Daddy. You got this, baby. Eso. Let's go, Naomi. You got this. You got this. Okay, push. Push, 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 push.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Woo! Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. You got it, you got it. Come on. Push. Push, push, push.
It's downhill now. You made it. That's a
You
trail
made it.
right there.
You made it. You hate me a little bit. Okay.
It's there.
You hate me a little bit.
It's there.
All right, enjoy it, okay? Let your bike flow. Whoa. Take it easy. Feather your brake a little bit. Feather, feather, feather. There you go. Easy brake, easy brake. All right, you're good, you're good, you're good. Find your groove, Naomi. Okay, feather, feather, feather. Had her, girl. Right there, see? You are good, enjoy it. There you go. It's not tricky, just feather, that's all you gotta do. Nice work, good control. There you go. See, you're doing great. Good work. Rolling like a pro. Woo! All right, feather here. It's gonna get a little curvy. You got this, you got this. Level pedals and just focus and trust your bike. You're good. Don't be scared. Good job, good job. Stay with it, stay with it. Get low on your bike. Whoa, you're fine. Stay on the pedals. On the pedals. Good job. Level pedals. Level pedals. Good job. You're good. You're good. You only get better as we go. Dale. There should be a slogan. Oh, shit. Oh gosh. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Don't.
Sorry.
You're fine. It happens. Little car pile up.
It's like your legs give out.
The question is, are you having a good time? Oh yeah. That's what it's all about, homie. That's what it's all about. This is where you forget about all your fears and anxieties right here. How you feeling?
Like I'm gonna pass out.
My mood drastically changes when we're not going uphill. Oof.
Your mood drastically changes when you're not going uphill.
Yep.
Let's get some.
No, I'm from the old school, man.
Easy, easy, easy. Okay, climb, climb, climb. Easy gear, easy gear. Think about your lungs, your heart. Think about your goals. Yes, here we go on the road again. Da 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 da. On the road again. Yes, here we go on the road again. Nice. See, now you're feathering. You're in control. You're the boss now. And every time we're climbing, all I hear is, Ah! Normally Jackie's very smiley and happy. I'm talking to my YouTube people, telling about Jackie, how nice and kind and full of life she is, but you tell her to climb on a bike and she starts grunting like an old bear. Here it goes again. Ugh. No more grunting, Jackie. We want to see the happy Jackie. Beautiful. The idea is for you to be on the bike.